DJI is famous for making drones that capture really good aerial videos. Their drones are top-notch, and the best part is, even beginners can use them easily. In this video, we've made a quick guide and reviewed the 5 best DJI drones you can buy in 2024. So let's get into the video. 5. DJI Avit Combo. The DJI Avit is a bit expensive, but it's a great choice for getting into first-person view drones. Its standout feature is the first-person view, which gives you a unique experience that no other drone offers. It's like wearing a MetaQuest headset, but you're actually flying a drone and recording professional videos. It records in 4K at 60 FPS, so you get really high-quality footage. It's one of DJI's lightest and most agile drones, perfect for filming sports in a special way while keeping all the details sharp. Even though it's nimble, it's equipped with top-notch stabilizers to ensure smooth recordings, even during fast spins. The battery lasts for 18 minutes of recording, and it can transmit video up to 10 kilometers away. DJI made sure this drone is easy to use, even for beginners. 4. DJI Mini2 SE. The Mini2 SE is a simple drone that doesn't have collision avoidance, but it does have GPS tracking, return to home, and quick shots for easy filming. It's great for beginners who don't want to spend a lot on a drone. It's smart, easy to control, and reasonably priced. It takes good quality photos and videos, can fly for up to 31 minutes, and is lightweight. It's also small and easy to carry around. The camera is stable thanks to a 3-axis gimbal, and you can adjust exposure manually, though you can't shoot in RAW format. 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is a top-of-the-line drone made for professional quality recordings. Its standout feature is its super high image quality of 5.1K at 50 FPS, ensuring your footage looks amazing. It's perfect for filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative pros. It's a bit heavy, so you need to register it with the FAA and have a license to use it for paid projects, but it's still easy to carry around for on-location work. It can also take photos at 48 megapixels, which look as good as films. Plus, it comes with a remote controller so you can control it easily and get a video feed from up to 15 kilometers away. One reason it's one of the best drones out there is because it has 3 cameras, giving you the best possible video quality with a simple setup. And the battery lasts for up to 43 minutes on one charge. Overall, the Mavic 3 Pro is the top consumer or professional drone available today. 2. DJI Air3. If you're looking for a drone that's more professional and can handle strong winds well, the DJI Air3 is a great choice. It's a mix between the Mini 3 Pro's price and the Mavic 3's high-end features, giving you excellent performance. It's a bit heavier, weighing 720 g, but it can fly for a long time, up to 46 minutes. The DJI Air3 is one of the first mainstream drones with 2 cameras. This lets you switch between a wide-angle shot and a closer zoom, adding a new dimension to your photos and videos. It's also good for slow-motion recording at up to 4K 100 FPS, great for action shots. 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro builds on the Mini 3 Pro's features to set a new standard for lightweight drones under 250 g. It keeps the great camera, which can be tilted to portrait or horizontal mode, and improves video quality in low light with higher ISO sensor captures at up to 30 FPS. It can fly up to 11.18 miles and transmit video up to 12.4 miles. This means you can take it almost anywhere and fly it without needing a license in FAA areas. It takes sharp 48 megapixel photos or 4K videos and has advanced flight functions like obstacle avoidance. DJI provides a controller with a 5.5-inch screen or a cheaper option for using your smartphone as a monitor. Plus, it has a longer battery life, over 40 minutes compared to the usual 34. That is all for the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.